Alright guys, so Ford F-150 with the power running boards. I'm gonna show you how to set them on auto, how to set them on off, and how to set them to where they can stay on. Right now they're set to off. That's why when we open the door, they're still not coming out. So let's get in the car, close the door, turn the ignition on. You don't have to turn the car on all the way. See what setting is. We're gonna use this button here to go down. All right, so go down, and you're gonna press OK. Then you're gonna go down to vehicle, press OK, and scroll all the way down past lock. Keep scrolling to power running boards, press OK. And so right now, as you can see, set to off. You can set it to where it comes out. Just came out. Go back to OK. And you can set it to where it's automatic. So that's it.